Okay ka pa ka to. Balik mo ka?
Okay lang.
Nice gap first.
1, 2,
2 power, 1 power.
3,
Actually may plus 2 na. Hindi mo nga pa. Guys, pang biyasa. Yung next na ako nagkatap ulit plus 2.
Ang
Sige, keep up.
playmat kasi niyo.
Okay.
Ikaw, hindi mo ito-customize mo iyato. Sila ito ipa-customize. Aray mo man yun. Well, ba tapos ako customize na ito. Nabibit. Kung kami.
Kitan pa.
Or...
Yes.
Pilan ka niya? Sige mo na. O ikaw.
Ako.
Ikaw lang.
Ay, hindi. Amo ning 6 oh.
Stand and draw. Starting Bergante. Right.
Sige, Arsenal.
Oh, skill. Naling skill.
Over.
This is question lang.
Sila na percentage ko nagataas ko mo. First damage.
Go again.
Draw.
Shit!
Alright, draw.
Take it.
Second damage. Valiente. Sige.
What's the other guy?
Stand. And draw.
You literally have a game loss.
Sige.
18K.
8.
Ditch. Right. Fix star. Call.
The way it works is the cards in your hand both are resource and the attacks themselves. You also start with equipment, there's a bonus left. Basically, the equipment has extra effects. You can use it to card or you can use it for its effect. Basically, you start off at your strongest and then as long the longer the game goes, the weaker and weaker you
Okay.
get.
Overdress.
The most
CD1.
common,
Draw 2.
the most common ending scenario for
Plus
this
5k.
game is your opponent, you or your opponent, one or two of you.
Plus 2k.
Ah, pwede overdress mas kayo sa lang.
Blocking
Oh.
your opponent's attack. Because your cards can also block. Cards can activate.
Ang crossover list,
Blocking
duha.
your opponent's attack.
Prayer Dragon and a Quick Star. Sige.
Ay, kasi makita ko first one.
Normal po. Vanguard attacks for
Okay.
Mapay ka 1 or
Check.
next mong attack dominate.
no trigger.
Pero since ako man imo man turn, wala mong attack. So,
10.
Pila ka? 15.
15. So kaya 10 ni. 15.
Dali lang, may pa ko ka guys.
Last turn.
15.
Draw ka for 3. RT. 3 RT.
Wala.
Card ko na. So take 1. May unit na iba.
Wala.
Unit na.
Grade 1.
Basta ako draw mo?
Hits. You may, yung...
So may what?
Vanilla.
Bani siya ng top card. Pag binakasin sa
Banish.
Ay, ma-play mo siya.
Take a 1.
Vanguard.
Okay.
Play ko sa Arsenal ko.
Wait lang, wala na ni. Damage check.
Ow! Wait. Puta, wait pa nagamit ang skill.
Damage check. No trigger.
Tapos, Arsenal.
Yeah.
Sige. Bottom, draw 4.
Stand and draw.
30K. Plus 5K.
Weak.
Sige.
3 arcane.
Suji. Right.
So trigger niya.
Plus.
Discard ka or
Search
pay
for
ka.
Verina.
2 na nito.
Okay.
Oh! Nakukuhin sa mga isang.
Sakit yan.
Reveal. Shuffle.
3 damage, 3 arcane. Discard ka na yun or pay 2.
Pay 2.
Pwede na 2 mo.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's what.
Reveal.
That's what I'm saying.
Taking 3.
Taking 3.
Discard or pay 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. call normal chord. Attack, skill, CB1.
23,
Dua sila may 10k.
43, 2 periods.
Over.
Can drive. No trigger. Heal trigger. Heal is good. Power 2. Rear guard.
Regard.
Rear guard.
Power block. Crit no?
Wala. Crit. Ang ganda na yung skill crit.
Mag-attack sa warlord plus 5,000.
If you did not reveal. Sige. Si... Last turn.
Clutch.
Right. Trigger
respond.
Calls ni Haven sa side.
Hindi pa reaction. Frostbite. Take 1.
One.
Check. 7.
Take 1.
Lord.
Okay.
Kung may araw si GN. Okay. Nag-break?
Take 3.
Top 7. Nag-break.
7 no?
Nag-break. Nag-wave.
Guard ko.
Dragonic Overload ZN.
Reaction.
20, 40, 45.
Plus 5. Plus 5.
Personal.
Regard. 18.
18.
1 piso.
No go.
Regard.
Take 1.
Unguard.
Supply ko lang yung sergeant.
Good damage. Crit.
Hindi. Card.
Cardinal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cards na. Crit power. Effects. Second check. Heal trigger. Heal 1. Power.
Power. Power.
First damage. Heal trigger.
2,
Heal is good.
Thunder Blast.
Heal is good. Power 2. Nirvana. Second damage. No trigger. CB1. Discard a card from hand. Restand. Dragonic Overlord.
Power tayo.
Yeah.
Stand.
Restand. -1 drive. Sige. Gara.
Reveal, no?
28.
23, 38.
Banish.
Pila na gani. Oh, shoot.
May play this on.
Shoot. Sige.
No pass.
No pass. OT.
Oh!
Heal trigger.
Heal ka na ba?
Heal. Power. Hindi ka heal.
Power siya gina.
So, ginatag mo isa ka power day.
Direct.
Nga naman.
Hindi ko siya ginatag. Yung isa gina.
Oo. So, no, wala hit, diba?
May
Wala
magamit
hit
ko,
hit.
no?
Siya lang gano'n.
Hindi ko magamit banish. Sagli.
Power, yeah.
Hindi ko magamit.
Lahan mo ka na.
Hand ka. 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Vanguard.
So,
Ilan na siya? So,
35.
35.
It has plus 3.
So, 23.
I played as a chain.
23.
Or higher.
38.
Feeling 4 na kasi.
Chain. So, 3.
So, 3.
The sound what's per game?
15.
Phoenix Flame.
23.
28.
Na?
28.
28.
Bet mo 1.
So, 23 na ako.
Wala ka pang bayad.
43, 51. 60, 50, 61. Plus 10 pa kami. 150. So, bad.
Intercept. Bird.
61 plus 50.
Stand and duro. Right. Nirvana. Skill. CB1. Soul plus Nirvana. Choose a grade 0 from your drop.
3 go.
Call it. Since you are 4 or less damage, 4 or less in damage zone, take 1 damage.
Discard 1 or pay 2.
Right. As overdress ulit. Esperadia skill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Front row, get stand.
Ano ganyan? Discard 1 or pay 2, no? Discard 1 or pay 2. Pay 2.
Normal call. Sige, 23.
Ano ganyan? Mas tala sila.
Take 3.
Mas tan lang ni after mag-vanguard attacks.
Discard 1 or pay 2.
Agay!
Yes, sir.
Pila.
23.
88.
28. Sige. Vanguard attacks for 23. Skill na Esperadia. Soul Blast 1. Restand.
Piso.
Son.
Wala,
10,
piso ka tao.
15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
Ay.
Plus 35. 20 plus.
Discard ko ni, no? Discard na yun. Ano pinisat siya yun? Wala ko yung ginatuluan.
Bago lang kita yung gamit. Naging padala ko sunod yung file la.
Sige, 1 click mo lang. Okay.
Triple drive. First check. Second check. Third check. Heal. Heal is good.
20, 30, 40.
Power here.
Okay.
Power.
First time nag-break ako ng drive ba?
Wala, so naka-bliss card.
Oh, stand ko lang eh.
Pares, walang galing.
Blizzard.
48.
33
Go again
kay
unless you pay.
Horn. Kay Horn.
Arsenal.
100.
So,
Guard ko lang.
23 plus 15 38 PG. Taas ba? Sige. Last turn. Overlord.
5.
30.
Sige, for
Pila no?
13.
Gusto ko sa mag-tripod.
18.
Tudoan mo ako.
PJ.
7 lang.
Sige. Lilia.
Go again.
First check. Heal. Heal is good. Power.
He's a horrible teacher. Last time I asked him.
Second check. No trigger.
20.
20.
Sige, go.
How do I block? Kills the opponent. That's how you block. You don't.
No. May power siya.
25.
2 plus 1 talang.
28.
Agay! Plus 1 guy.
18.
Perfect guard.
Sige lang, sir.
Stand and draw.
Take plus 8. 41.
Mahar Nirvana skill. CB1. Soul plus a Nirvana in my hand. Choose a grade 0 from my drop.
Play.
Okay.
Take 1 damage.
1.
Ha? Okay.
4.
Oh, take 1 damage. Sige.
Draw
Since
card.
naka-overdress state akong
Run ka lang.
sa career guard, my front row gets 10k.
Eh, kaso, galing ako. Wala ano sa kog. Yay!
23 plus 27.
Muna ka-stand, no?
Oh, galing
Hindi
stand.
na ma-stand.
Hindi na mag-stand.
May
Ang
one guard. Hindi na ma-stand.
depende kung may work trigger.
Okay, hindi. Wala. Hindi siya
Wala na, mo lang
Sa skill, wala. Skill.
Easy and drop play.
Pila?
27.
27?
Oh, itong nag-boost ko.
Logic out of lock, mas.
Discard.
Skill.
Discard or pay 2.
Huwag ka lang cellphone.
Put this into soul, and this, isa ko ka unit na extra 2,000. 23. Skill, ay soul plus 1. Wait lang.
Logic may tingin
Yeah, soul plus 1.
Wala akong nadala.
Restand.
Discard 1. Oh, meron.
Plus, wala na
I
ganun.
bring
Five.
extra decks.
5 arcane.
Bitches like you forget.
5 arcane. Wala, dito na mag-lock.
You forgot to bring your play mat.
Discard 1 or pay 2.
Plus 35.
Is it this? That's.
No, you
Plus
So,
35.
patay na siya kayo. Wala na ko pang balik.
PG.
Yeah, binder siya. That's it.
Triple drive. First check. Crit.
That's connect.
I'll give the crit.
itong
Crit power here.
ang isa dice gawa na kami.
Second check. No trigger. Third check. No trigger.
Para may gawin sa play ka.
Kaya ba? Third check.
Maski
Ha?
sa damage.
Third check wala.
May gawin.
Third check. Sige. Nakakadaan ni si 20 plus
14.
Pili 15, 25, 35.
So baka yung
With a crit name. So 28, 38, 58. Nauti pa! Sige.
Yan ang imo ninyo flippers. Wala mong bato ulit.
58 plus 13. 50 plus 63. Okay.
Nang lamigyan ng gloves.
Hindi ka na. Sige lang to, ang pangka.
Ako mampang.
Atak-atak
Hindi ka
lang.
na yung vanguard. Wait lang. Hindi naman kasakyan.
Sige ah. Bye-bye. Draw trigger. Power kay.
Ganito ninyo flippers.
Okay. Second check. No trigger. Okay. Sige.
Score? 21.
No guard.
Alright.
Damage
Lahat
check.
wala mga dala mo nga 5.
Critical trigger. Power.
Abing 5 may bagong equipment.
25.
Ang 5 may
Bye.
bagong equipment.
Ah. Ayaw matak sa 25.
Okay. Bye-bye.
25.
25.
Wala ka ninja
5.
flavor.
Wala mga dala.
5 to guard.
Ah.
No guard ah.
Ninja flippal.
Stand and duro.
Kala ko ito. Side flipper.
Pwede.
Ay,
Call trick star.
Ay, pakita ko na.
Overdress to Esperadia.
Because I don't
Skill.
know how to teach.
Sige lang, send lang ka ron.
Ilan tawangan pa ang hindi ko lang magkuhan.
Wala naman. Nanay ba? Uy, meron ba? Nice.
Board ka na.
Then, okay, makuha ko another Esperadia. Since nag-over the state, plus 10k to the front row, 23. Vanguard attacks. Skill ni Esperadia ay Soul Blast 1. Restand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
Here we go.
Sige.
20.
Here we go.
Again, a 5k go. Plus 20. 5k. Where's your 5k? Yeah. 23. Nag-guard ka na. 23.
23.
23.
23 man. 10 more. Plus 5. Want to pass.
Want to pass?
Triple dive check, no?
Oh, triple drive check. 2 to pass. First check. Crit. Crit here. Power to Vanguard. Second check. Crit. All effects. Third check. Draw. Power. Draw. Sige. May trigger sa bilin. Tinuot. Bottom of the deck OT.
Ang game 3.
Sige.
Wala lang kakakita kay DN.